Guys, sweet potato is the star of our show, and I am doing something that, boy oh boy, when we tested this recipe, I was like, my goodness, why didn't I think of this before? We're doing a sweet potato fry bake using NFM's Lion brand fry bake mix. So for people who are now coming to terms with their baking skills and frying skills and using flour, this frying mix is a fry bake mix is perfect for you. All you do, everything here in terms of a fry bake mix is right here, and you just put 2 cups. The recipe is actually on the back of the pack. 2 cups of this fry bake mix by Lion brand. As you know, I've conquered my fear of flour. 2 cups. I want about a half teaspoon of salt, and I have about a tablespoon of sugar that I'll add in there, and I mix that together. So at this stage, if you want ordinary fry bakes, and this fry bake mix is really a good fry bake mix where you can get some fabulous fry bakes, but on Home Sweet Home, we turn it up a notch, and we're doing sweet potato fry bake mix. So all I did was take a sweet potato about this size. I boiled it, peeled, and I mashed the fella up. Nice mashed, like a mashed potato, mashed sweet potato. I am simply adding the mashed sweet potato to my flour, and I want to get it all mixed in. So this is when you're dealing with flour, you gotta kind of get your hands in there. So I really just want to now incorporate the sweet potato and the flour mixture, the fry bake mixture, all together. You will start feeling it. As I said, when you're cooking, you really, it's feel, smell, all the senses kind of kicking in. And that's it. So you get that all mixed in there. Yeah. And now, to that 2 cups of flour and sweet potato, you add a cup of water. Cup of water, and you bring that together. You bring your dough together there now. So many people, as I said, if you've been following Home Sweet Home, most of the dishes I do will not include flour. So I am bravely going where Joel really hasn't gone before and doing flour recipes on the show. This is what you kind of want. It's sort of a wet dough, and I'm thinking that that's what I'm looking for here now. So I am ready to flour my board and get my fry bakes going. I am loving as I said, the yellow undertone of the fry bake. Feel free, guys, to use the fry bake mix to kind of make sure your hands doesn't get stick on the dough. So just kind of knead the dough together, and it's really just about bringing this together. One of the key things, allow it to rest for about 10 minutes, no more than about 10-15 minutes. Allow it to rest, and when it rests, it's time to fry. All right, guys, so it's time to fry. And as I said, I have dough that has been resting here. So the professionals who do fry bake, they kind of just pull up, and I am a novice at fry bakes. So I make sure, and I do like a little cut to make sure I get the first size that I'm looking for. And once I get this first size, so I'm adding this, remember it, dough is a kind of sticky dough, guys, so you gotta kind of make sure you have your flour so it won't stick to your hands. And yeah, all I do here now is just kind of bring nice little balls together, and that's what you want. So when I get that size, I know, okay, I'm looking for just about that kind of size I'm looking for. So don't you just love the color on this? All you do here is do a nice little flatten. Some people use a rolling pin, but this is all you want. Put that in there. So you want to see it rise and poof up just a bit as it's poofing up now. no more than about a minute on either side. And this is just about ready, guys. Look at that. That is fry bake perfection. Nice and hot. And you just keep rolling these guys out. Very, very easy. And you get this light, wonderful. I think the sweet potato just adds something, a creaminess. Fill this up with your favorite filling, whether it's saltfish, bacon, shark, whatever it is. Just make sure you use Lion Brand Fry Bake Mix. Home Sweet Home comes to you courtesy Lion Brand, the power behind our great taste tradition.